I'm Morag Myerscough and I'm doing a big, bright, bold installation with MINI at the London Design Festival. My very first car was a red MINI, and it was just, I loved that car. It was so amazing, and I would just go around London. It was so brilliant. And so that's another thing, you know, I've had this relationship with the design of MINI. I really love the roundness of it and the shapes in it. And also, they've always been really good colours. The London Design Festival is a real London institution. It's every September, people come from all around the world. So it's a really, really important thing to do a massive piece of work. So that's been so exciting for me to do this project. We can show Londoners and the world what is possible in a city, how plants could be equal to buildings and how we can live in a much more natural environment in a city. I had this idea in my head, and when that happens to me, it feels really good. So then what I usually do is I just get my sketchbook out, and it's sort of a form of doodling. I sort of just doodle these things that are in my head. Once I do this, once I get this basis, then it just all goes from there. So I just know that I can make this work. What was so amazing about this project is I was introduced to the MINI colours, and the MINI colours are exactly my colours. It was just like incredible. There is one colour that has been introduced into it that I've avoided for a really long time, is purple. But since I've been living here and growing lots of plants, I realised in nature there was masses of blues and masses of purples. I've embraced it and I've added it to my palette, and I'm really enjoying it. I think it's a really cool colour now. MINI's big love philosophy is about community, people coming together, sharing, and my work is really like that. I've been doing that for over 10 years. I talk about what belonging means to people, how we can come together, how we can make a difference in our society. What was really important also was there a way to include parts of the MINI design into my structure? And when I looked at what was possible to include, I could just see flowers. So I saw the hubcaps of flowers, and I saw windmills. So then I just included that into the structure. So it's a very integrated MINI and me together. But what I would really love people to get from it is to remember it, to make them think, to discuss, to say what they would like their future city to be. For me, the fact that the installation is free and that absolutely everybody can visit it, and I really think it would be great if really everybody can come and visit it, because it will show a sort of future way of living, and also it shows a new era of MINI design. You'll be able to come to the Shoreditch Electric Light Station from Saturday the 16th of September to Tuesday the 19th of September as part of the London Design Festival. It's totally free to get in, and it would be brilliant to see you there.